Good morning. In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up Stripe payments within Wappointment, allowing you to receive any major credit card payment online in a very streamlined process. First of all, what you're going to need is a service to sell. So you're going to need a price on a service. So here we're selling a consultation for $65. And then just click Stripe. Stripe is a premium add-on, so you're going to need to get a license for that. Once you get the license, just go to add-ons, enter your license. I've already installed mine, so it's all set up. Then just click install in Stripe Payment, activate, and now we can go back to the settings in services, and now I'm being asked to enter two different keys, publishable key and secret key. So those keys are keys we're going to get as a Stripe user. So basically, if you don't have an account yet, you need to click here and sign up for free. That's a fairly straightforward process. And once you're done, you'll get to that page. So that's the dashboard. From the dashboard, you need to head to developers, then API keys, and here we have the first key that is a publishable key. So we're going to get it and paste it in, and then we could enter the secret key that would give all power to the connection, but it's not needed. Basically, it's better to create a restricted key that is limited in what it can do. So that's what we're going to do. So just enter any name, my site name, it doesn't matter. Then set balance, set charge to write, set payment intent to write, and hit save. Once you're done, you'll get a key which you can copy here, and you can just paste it in there. Now you hit save, and that's it. Stripe is configured. That was easy. Now, as you can see, you're in test mode. Test mode, basically in Stripe there are two different kind of mode. There is this test mode. It's sort of a sandbox, so you can try the system. You have several credit card numbers that are test cards that you can try on your system, but once you go in production, obviously you need to change that mode. And so it's basically the same credential, same type of credential, but in another part of Stripe dashboard. So if you head back, you see here's the test mode. So you just click in there and you'll be in live mode, and you'll have a whole different set of keys here that you'll be able to use for your production mode. So we're not going to do that now because we're just testing that locally. So I'm just going to enable Stripe, and by doing that, I'm adding a new step in the payment process. So if I go to appearance payment, I can see now I have my payment field for the credit cards. I can change all those labels. Just go ahead and change what you like. You can also change the way it is the credit card field is displayed. It can be like one simple field if you wish. Some people like it that way. I mean, it's personal preference. Do it the way you want. We're just going to go the standard way in our case. So I'm saving the change. Now I'm going to test that booking. So I click there, enter test account. Okay, and here you go. Test 42424242424242. This is the test credit card number I was mentioning earlier. You're not going to be able. It's not a magic code. You're not going to be able to buy anything for free online with that code. It's just going to work with your sandbox on Stripe. So click pay securely, and there we go. Booking is received. So we're going to head back to order. As you can see, there is a new paid order that appears here. We're going to check that it appears on Stripe 2. And here we go, it's there. And final thing, I'm just going to make sure I'm able to refund the person. So I'm going to click refund, confirm. That's refunded, shows here, and just going to refresh Stripe, and there we go, refunded. So that's it, that was easy. 5 minutes video. I hope you understood and followed. If you have any question, you can contact us on support.